Wait, quick. Wait. Cross, hook, cross. Jab, jab, hook, cross. Cross, hook, cross. Upper hook, cross. Body. Hook. Wait, body hook, power. Power, power. Back, drop. Body hook. Boom, boom. Body hook. Body hook. Wait, drop. Wait, upper hook, cross. Body shot, body shot, counter body, right, B, B, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, come on, come on, strong. Boom. Come on, slam hard. Come on, go. Ooh-hey. 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Come on, power, power, power. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi all, today is Tuesday and then we have just done with our Tuesday morning boxing training with Anko Singh. He's preparing for his upcoming fight soon, okay? We will announce it soon, okay? For you to know what's going on, what's up with our boxer Anko Singh, and Puchungman's not here. We're gonna train later, okay? Okay, Anko Singh.
வணக்கம் டிக்டாக் மக்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்கும் ஆங்கர் சிங் பேசுகிறோம். இன்னைக்கு ட்ரைனிங்